Okay, for the pecs and the traps, the right tool for the job is the lacrosse ball or something similar. You need a doorway, a squat rack beam, anything similar. I'm just using a beam here at my training facility. So take the lacrosse ball, set it against that beam. You want something like a doorway so that your arm on the other side can move. If it's just a flat wall like this, you can kind of get in there, but it's pretty difficult to actually really dig into that pec. So as you do this, you want to work through all of the tissues from the lower all the way into upper pec, right below the clavicle. Don't actually push on the clavicle, this bone that comes across here, unless you want to aggravate your shoulder. So again, work just right up along that. Again, avoiding right here into the joint as well, but just all the way anywhere where there's tissue through there, and then add some motion. So you can add internal, external rotation, kind of moving up and down like this all over the place. So it'll look something like this. Find the hot spot. I like this up kind of overhead press motion. Reach into the back pocket, up overhead, just keep moving along. And that's a really good way to open up the pecs. For the traps, you're gonna use the same thing. You're just gonna lean over like you're trying to tackle whatever it is you're using. Stick that ball there in the trap, and then just move around, pause, rotate the head, side bend. Find a nice spot, rotate the head, side bend. And just make sure you're breathing the entire time. Those traps can get pretty worked, especially if you're doing a lot of rucking, any overhead carries, stuff like that. Same with the pecs. Obviously, you're gonna have to be doing a lot of push-ups to prepare for your PT test or just normal training in general. So these are both good ways to open up those tissues.